How to remove money from RobinHood account. If you want to transfer RobinHood money to your bank account, then follow these instructions. First, make sure you have downloaded RobinHood app on your iPhone. After that, click on the search bar and open RobinHood. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you can see this home page, and here on the top right corner you can see this search bar. Here on the search bar, type in transfer. Now you will see these different options. Here click on this withdraw funds option. Type in the amount that you want to transfer to your bank account and click on continue. So this is how you can transfer your money from RobinHood to your bank account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.